So we're doing Butler Knob to throne room today. Try to see the fall colors. This is one of the worst roads that we've taken to get to a hike. We're on Jack's Tower Road up here in like Mapleton, and it is a rough road. I wouldn't recommend coming up here in a car. You could come up here in a car and then hike like 2 or 3 miles up, but I don't know if that's worth it. So when you get past like 2 miles, these potholes are pretty brutal. Like I said, I would not recommend this in a car. Luckily, my brother has an SUV, but it's really deep and rutted. I don't know if you can see up here. I mean, he's just rutted out and washed out, so be careful. So we finally made to Butler Knob after that treacherous car ride. Here's a fire tower. I'll try to climb up it on the way back. So here we are at Butler Knob on the way to the throne room. It's just beautiful. So once again, here's the view of Butler Knob. Pretty good. There is actually a sign that says climbing is prohibited on this fire tower. Even though they took out the bottom steps, probably still make it up, but I'm not gonna mess with it. So next we're headed up this small rock scramble / boulder field, and on all trails it's listed as Hall of the Mountain King, and pretty cool. So I'm at another spot here, Hall of Mountain King. Nice 360 view. I won't call it peak yet, but there's good colors all around. Once again, here's another video, and I'll show you what we just came up. Came up that path right there. Like I said, I don't think it's peak yet, but some of the colors. So this is another overlook, King's Chambers. We're about to enter throne room. It's a really cool overlook. One of the best overlooks in Pennsylvania. I've done it a couple times. I did it from this way where we started on Butler Knob, and then there's another way you can do it. We're not starting on Butler's Knob, but if you ask me, the drive is tougher that way. So we finally made it to the throne room. Like I said, one of the best overlooks in Pennsylvania. A lot of the colors are starting to really show. Here's a rock field below. So we're on our way back down, and this overlook is called the King's Chamber. And here we are descending the rock field. Just gotta watch where you're stepping.